So, today is our first anniversary. Kaya kita niyo naman, sobrang bonggang-bongga yung ayos natin today. So, samahan na kami as we celebrate our first year anniversary together.
Sorry.
Hindi ako.
Pasahin mo naman yung eyes ng buhok ko.
Kaya nga, ang pogi mo nga lang.
Alam mo yung inspiration niya, ipakita ko. Ewan ko.
Sige, sige.
Expectation versus reality.
Tingin nga.
Dapat ganito siya. Kaso
Pinakita
hindi niya
mo?
hindi niya
Malit
pinawasan.
naman. Parang malit. Ba't dapat mahaba dito?
Pwede naman yan. Ayoko lang kasi nakaganyan siya. Tapos kinagtas niya yung ano. Ganyan dapat siya.
Saan mo naman nakita yan?
Bibigyan lang kita para mas ma-appreciate mo ng content.
Oo nga, pogi mo nga lang. Ba't ka nakakangiti?
Para lang ma-appreciate mo ng very light.
Bakit? Weh, ikaw nga nag-ayos niyan? Kailan mo yan inaayos? Love? Hala, nakakainis ka. Love.
Please stand clear. Doors closing.
That's 50 roses.
Totoo ba?
The big one.
Thank you, love. Happy anniversary. Actually, matagal ko na itong pinagawa.
Saan?
Ako nag-ano ng mga lyrics, hindi ko lang kayang mag-ano.
Kanta. Okay lang naman. Tanggap ko na. Game. Pero nahihiya ko eh.
Dito ka!
Ba't nasa YouTube?
Didn't know dreams could come true.
nila?
Now I see the plan unfold. A story written in hands of gold. With you, JL, my heart is safe and sound. A love so deep, I'm heaven bound. Through every storm, we'll see it through. My peace, my prayer, my calm. It's you. You held me close when I was weak. the parts I couldn't keep. I was scared to fall, afraid to try. But you showed me love, won't say goodbye. Oh, I prayed for someone like you. Didn't know love could be so true. Every fear has turned to light. With you, my world feels right. With you, my heart is safe and sound. A love so deep, I'm heaven bound. Through every storm, we'll see you through. My peace, my prayer, my calm. It's you.
Thank you. Love you.